Dull blades, they don't cut the grass, they tear the grass. So you'll see it on the grass tips, you know, especially like fescue around here. We don't have all that many fescue properties, but the ones that you do, if you see that nice clean cut, that means that your blade is sharp and balanced and cutting evenly and cutting efficiently. But if you see where they're frayed at the top and it almost browned out just a little bit at the tip, and it's inconsistent, you know, it looks like shark teeth is what I call it. That means that it's very dull and it's just not cutting efficiently. So as an operator, as you're making passes, you'll be able to see that. And if you see that the grass is being torn, or if they see that the grass is being torn rather than cut cleanly, that's time to go ahead and change those things. Hopefully we can have some, you know, we have some on the truck and they have the tools, they can go ahead and do it then. If not, come back to the shop and swap them out.